Dear students, today we are discussing about algorithms in problem solving techniques using C. The first algorithm is exchange two numbers using temporary variable. The algorithm as follows. First step, start. Second step, read two numbers A and B. Third step, store the value of A in the temporary variable temp. Fourth step, assign the value of B to A, then assign the value of temp to B. Sixth step, display the swapped values of A and B. Last step, stop the algorithm. In the example, we can see that before execution, in the place of A, we can see the integer 10. In the place of B, we can see the integer 20. After execution, in the place of A is 20. In the place of B, we can see 10. Second algorithm, exchanging two numbers without using temporary variable. Algorithm as follows. First step, start. Second step, read two numbers A and B. Third step, add content of A and content of B and place the result in A. Next step, subtract A from B and keep the result in the place of B. Next step, subtract the content of A from B and keep the result in the place of A. Then display the swapped values of A and B. Finally, stop the algorithm. Before execution, we can see in the place of A 10, in the place of B 20. After execution, in the place of A 20, in the place of B 10. This algorithm is going to be demonstrated in the given figure. Algorithm to count the number of students who scored more than 50 marks. The algorithm as follows. First step, start. Second step, read the number of students n. Third step, initialize count equals to 0. Fourth step, repeat the following steps for each students from 1 to n. Read the students' marks. If the marks is greater than 50, increment the count by 1. Then display the value of count. Finally, stop the algorithm. In the given example, the number of students are 5. The marks secured by 5 students are 45, 78, 56, 32, 19. The number of students scoring more than 50 equals to 3, which is stored in the variable count. This flowchart will give you a clear graphical representation of the previous algorithm. In this flowchart, we can see that there are 5 students and their respective marks. So the proposed algorithm count the number of students who secured more than 50. Algorithm to reverse the digits of an integer. The algorithm as follows. First step, start. Next, read an integer. Third step, initialize reverse equals to 0. Fourth step, follow the steps until n equals to 0. Initially, consider a number and find the remainder of that number when it is divided by 10. Next, reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus digit. Next, find out the quotient of a number when it is divided by 10. Then, repeat these 3 steps until n equals to 0. Then, display the reverse number. Last step, stop. The graphical representation of previous algorithm reversing number is shown in this slide. Here we can see that the value considering is 1, 2, 3. After executing this algorithm, in the result we can see 3, 2, 1. Algorithm for character to number conversion. First step, start, then read the character which is between 0 and 9. Then convert the character to its numeric value using the equation number equals to character minus 0. Then display the number. Finally, stop the algorithm. The graphical representation of the previous algorithm. Thank you.